Today, I want to share with you the Astro Orbiter. Most of you remember it as the Tomorrowland Jets ride. The Tomorrowland Jets ride were first launched in 1956. The most recent design was upgraded in 1998. Today, a version of this ride is in 5 of the Disney parks. Only Tokyo does not have it. The jets go higher by pulling a lever back or pushing it forward to go down. The ride is short but fun.
Have initiated landing procedures. Please remain seated until your rocket ship comes to a complete stop. Then follow the arrows to the flight. Happy landing!
Did you like this ride? Please comment below. Please like and subscribe with a click to the thumbs up and subscribe buttons below.